What's going on, everybody? It is Emmanuel here with a quick video helping out helping out a fellow artist with something, and for anybody else that could benefit from it. I'll be quickly showing you how I use my Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons as a controller, customizable controller for Clip Studio or Photoshop for anything, just to be able to use it on the computer. Because the Joy-Cons are Bluetooth, so this is gonna be real quick, kind of informal. So what you need to do first, grab your Joy-Con, whichever one that you want to use, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. I'm right-handed, so the Joy-Con, I'm gonna grab the left-hand Joy-Con, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the black button that's in between the SL and the SR button on the top part of the Joy-Con. You're gonna press and hold that, and you're gonna see the green lights, going back and forth. And then all you're gonna do is just open your Bluetooth menu, and you're gonna add a Bluetooth device, like so. And you should see it under the discoverable devices. So I'm gonna connect it like that. Device is ready to go, set up. It's connected. That's done. The next step, I use what's called Joy to Key to program the buttons. And there's a free version, but I went ahead and bought the license. It was only like $7. And so I'll make sure to put a link to this in the description. And once you download it, do all that good stuff. When you open it, what's going to be there is this profile one. And I believe you can already test to see if your Joy-Con is paired if you just start pressing one of the buttons. Because I'm pressing the buttons, the joypad, every button, and it highlights which button it is on the list. Now, of course, all these buttons you can't program on the Joy-Con. I think the Joy-Con has a total of 14 programmable buttons. But now for me, this profile one, I was not able to customize it. So what I did is I created down here to create. I'm gonna just name this test one. I created a profile, and then with this profile, let's say I want to program the top arrow button. That's button number 3. So I'm going to double click it. You can double click it, or you can go down here to edit button assignment. And these columns are where you will input what you want it to be. So if I want this to be not R shift, if I want it to be B for brush, there we go. And you can put a comment here, brush tool, and then hit OK. There you go. So now, say if I want to use the analog stick, say if I want to use up and down for zoom in, zoom out. So up is this button, and I think I'm going to go over to mouse, and it's kind of backwards, so you have to test it out. But I know that the wheel rotation, because usually when you zoom in and out, you use the middle mouse wheel, and you roll it up or down. And so basically, wheel rotate. I think the wheel rotation is the speed, and then of course the direction. And so you would just change this if you want to implement middle mouse rotation. Because I'm sure there's more to do, yeah. Because whether mouse clicks anything, but anything with the mouse you would do with mouse one and mouse two. But mainly, I just do other than zooming, I do everything here in the keyboard. And once you're done with that, a good thing to do is to go to File and Save, and then keep this open, but minimize the window. Because so far right now, unless it's changed, this has to be open, or maybe it's just my computer. I don't know, but because when I close it, it closes it it doesn't work. But you keep it open and just minimize it, and then pick your profile, and it should work. Now, keep in mind your Joy-Con. Um, I have to turn off my Switch because even if I pair it with the computer, it seems like it still kind of fights and wants to pair back with the Switch somehow. So I just turn the Switch off when I go to pair it. So what I might do is just buy a additional set of Joy-Con so I don't wear out the one that I use for the Switch. And so they'll be different, and that pair for the computer won't be paired to the Switch at all. So I won't have to deal with that. But so that I mean that's pretty much it. Like I said, that's what was causing me problems. The pairing because it was fighting with the Switch. Like I said, that's it. Just keep it open. You create your profile, go for your buttons. Um, if anybody wondering, I'm running Windows 10 Pro. I think I don't know. Just keep it open, and you should be able to use it. Let me pick the right profile. Go to Clip Studio and do what you got to do. It really helps. I can tell you that it really helps. If anybody have any questions, let me know. I'll see what I can do to try to answer them. But appreciate you watching this video. Hope it helped those that needed. Hope it helped you that I made it for. And if you have any questions, let me know. And for those of you that didn't know you do this, hey, I was just as shocked. But anyway, take it easy. Keep creating. Keep doing what you're doing. I'll catch y'all later.